Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, locate your glove compartment on the passenger side. Open it completely and clear out any items inside. Next, you will need to detach the small dampener arm found on the right side. Then, gently squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to release its retaining tabs, allowing it to swing down fully. This reveals the filter housing. Now that the glove box is out of the way, you will see the rectangular cabin air filter housing. There are typically two small clips on either side of this cover. Unclip both of these, then gently pull the cover off. Carefully slide the old, dirty filter straight out. Take note of the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. With your new cabin air filter, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing in the correct direction, usually downwards, just like the old one. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it is fully seated. Then, place the filter housing cover back into position. Press the two retaining clips firmly until they snap securely into place, holding the cover tight. Finally, it is time to reassemble the glove compartment. Align the lower hinges and push the glove box back into its original position, ensuring the stops engage. Reattach the small dampener arm on the right side. Close the glove compartment firmly to confirm it latches properly. Turn on your vehicle's air conditioning or heater to enjoy the fresh, clean air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.